Here's what every sleep doctor will never tell their sleep apnea patients because a CPAP, as their research shows, can actually make you gain weight. But I'm going to tell you why that's actually a good thing long term, even if you don't use a CPAP. So in this study, they had people who just started a CPAP and people who were not using a CPAP. Everybody has obstructive sleep apnea. And they found that in the CPAP group, the weight actually went up by about 3 pounds here, whereas in the no CPAP group, there wasn't a change at all. But the thing is, all weight is not equal. Because if you look at this, what actually happened is that in the CPAP group, fat mass went down and fat-free mass or lean mass like muscle, that actually went up. So how the heck is that possible? And that's where things get a little bit complicated. So let's look at the table. So to understand why CPAP leads to perhaps favorable increases in body composition, let's understand the weight physiology of having bad untreated sleep apnea. So when you have untreated sleep apnea, you're going to have lower metabolic efficiency. Think of you're using like a big diesel engine instead of a premium engine. You also have a higher metabolic demand because your body is literally falling apart. So that's why long term, you'll actually have weight gain because there's a lot of dysregulation going in the body and then you're just going to have more fuel pile up. But then short term, when you switch from having no CPAP to a CPAP, what happens is that your metabolic efficiency goes higher, so you're using less fuel and you have less metabolic demand. So you're using a cleaner engine and you don't need as much fuel. So thus you actually end up having a surplus, you gain weight, but in a good way, as we saw, with more non-fat or lean body mass. So whether it's a CPAP or you're doing breathing exercises or other things to help with your sleep apnea, if your weight goes up a little bit, don't freak out. Follow for more sleep apnea insights and then get the free guide at apneareset.com.